Hi class. Today we are going to be going over Poetry Unit Lesson 13. For Poetry Unit Lesson 13, we are going to be reviewing the poetry tool of syllables, and we are going to be going over the poetry form of tanka. Now the poetry tool of syllables you have already used in your poetry. That's right. When you wrote a haiku earlier on in this poetry unit, you used syllables, a certain amount of syllables per line. That's why syllables is an important tool in some poetic forms. The poetic form of tanka, which we are going to write today, also requires you to use a certain amount of syllables. A tanka poem has 5 lines. The first 3 lines are exactly the same length as a haiku, 5 syllables, 7 syllables, 5 syllables. Then the last 2 lines that are added on also have 7 syllables and 7 syllables. Okay? So, for a tanka poem, again, you have first line 5 syllables, second line 7 syllables, third line 5 syllables, fourth line 7 syllables, fifth line 7 syllables. A tanka poem, a traditional Japanese form of poetry, is often about love, seasons, or sadness, or it can be a combination of 2 or 3 of those. Okay? So, make sure that you sound out your syllables correctly. Remember, a syllable is just one sound. Okay? So, sound out your syllables correctly and think about the topic that you want to write about. I did provide in our poetry topic page a resource that you can use that has poetry prompts if you get stuck on what you need to write about or what you want to write about. And anyway, enjoy writing your tanka poem today using syllables. Make a great poem.